Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about what 13 million views on YouTube will get you and what to speculate that you can make on YouTube per subscriber count. If you are new here, hey, I'm Myka, and for peep's sakes, hit that subscribe button. But before you comment down below or exit out of this video and say, but Myka, you don't have those views, let me explain myself. Or you don't have subs to justify even creating this video. Let me hold the phone for 1 second. This channel is actually my fun channel. It's my baby. It's kind of my outlet where I can just be me and have zero, if you know what I mean. This is just where I can be me. I don't have to overthink things. And that's what why this channel was created. So we could talk about money and learn to get a crush on cash together. I have been on YouTube for quite a while. Here is my main channel. This is my YouTube full-time gig. I love it. I take it very seriously. It's very professional over there. I try to keep things very polished and clean. And here's my husband's channel. This is his full-time YouTube position or gig, if you will. And he has given me permission to share some of his behind the scene YouTube data, share with you some of my YouTube experience and some of the things that I have noted. And also, since my husband did give us permission to share some of his analytics, go on over, if you've never been to his channel, subscribe and tell him Cash Crush sent you. Now, when it comes to how much money you make, it all depends on your CPM rating. I'm not gonna go into all of the data and metadata of YouTube as to why these views matter, how CPMs work, and all that crap. If you want to look that up, go look that up. The CPM is cost per milla. It means how many views you get per thousandth view or thousandth impression, whatever YouTube wants to define that as. CPM can vary on so many different levels. It can vary on the month, it can vary on the week, it can vary on the title, it can vary on the word choice, it can change with so many variables. So this could be different for different people's view amounts because maybe he had a really low CPM, which it actually does happen to be the lowest CPM he's had on all of his videos, but it's his most viewed video. Ironic, eh? Also, one of the reasons why I'm even making this video is not to be braggy, is not to be look at what he can do or anything like that. One of the reasons I'm making this video is because I think a lot of people might be interested in dabbling into YouTube. And if they don't truly know the potential of what they could make or what they could earn, what's the point? Do I think that you're gonna get a 14 million view video on your first hit? No, I don't. And that's just me being real and honest with you. But I do think that if you were able to see the complexity or the potential of what YouTube could earn, you might be more curious or more interested in dabbling into it potentially. So that is the main reason of me even sharing this with you guys. So as far as 14.1 million views for my husband's channel, it ended up getting him this one video. It is 28 minutes and 42 seconds with X amount of ads. I'm not sure how many ads we placed in there. And it made him $42,495 on that one video. And like I said, this was actually the lowest CPM of any video that he has made on YouTube, actually. So if this CPM was more comparable to other months, this would actually probably be double, being more like $84,000 for this one video. This doesn't happen all the time. Like I said, CPMs are very variable and they can change even on channel. If you're a how-to channel, if you're a finance channel, if you're an auto channel, all of those things matter and change based on your CPM. So do take that into consideration. If you're ever considering YouTube as a potential job, this is something that we could know is, hey, if I have a really big hit, I have the potential of making X, Y, and Z. And that's why I want you to know this. YouTubers make money in multiple different ways. Their merchandise, the ads that you watch play on the YouTube, and the ads that you watch play on YouTube is usually the smallest amount of money that a YouTuber makes. Traditionally, at least from my husband and my experience. Your ads that you make on YouTube are about right here. They're really kind of low in the bottom. And like I said, none of this is intended to be braggy whatsoever. This is for people who want to take YouTube seriously. I'm making this for you. YouTube ads are right here. Then you have sponsorship money. Sponsorship money will bring you right here. And then you can also add on things like merchandise and then start your own company, which could bring you even farther in the clouds. And there's so many other things, affiliate links. We could go on and on and on. But like I said, this video is not about how to make money on YouTube. I just want to explain to you how YouTubers make money. Also, what to speculate if you start a YouTube channel. I recently helped my girlfriends start their YouTube channel and they're killing it, literally killing it. I'm so proud of them. But what I want to say is if you were starting a YouTube channel or considering a YouTube channel, what to speculate per view and subscriber. I have seen so many different scenarios play out with friends, with people I know, with acquaintances in the YouTube space. I've seen people with 30,000 subbies make $200,000 a year. There is so many variables, but this is just the basic, bare basic. If you have a channel who has 100,000 subbies and you are getting kind of a good ratio of view to subbies, and people may say, well, what is that? I cannot break that down for every channel, but what I wanted to say is, like, if you have 200,000 subbies and you don't even get 1,000 views a video, you are not going to necessarily be applicable to this information that I'm saying. Or if you have 1 million subbies, but you get 5 million views every video, you are not going to be applicable to this information. Do you see what I'm saying? There's people where they have a huge subscriber count. Maybe they have one video go viral ages ago, and then they kind of dud it out, kind of like my channel. Then there's people like that are just crazy successful, that the algorithm is like, I love you, you are God, and they just give you more views than you can even handle, more views than your channel even has. My husband, for example, he usually tends to get more views than subscribers that he actually has, and that's one of the reasons why he can tend to get even more financially. But what I wanted to say, if you have 100,000 views, a lot of times with Google Money and with sponsorships, assuming that you were able to land, 2 or 3 sponsorships per month, you could potentiate $100,000. If you had 60,000 subscribers, there's a strong potential that you could make $60,000 a year. If you have 500,000 subbies, there's a good chance that you could make $500,000 a year. And that's just my experience. I have a different channel. I have a mommy channel and a homemaking channel. So maybe things could be a little bit variable. I'm not saying that's what I make, but that's what I'm saying that I feel is average or appropriate for subscriber accounts. I do think that any influencer, if they have a good following and if they have a good amount of views, could make beyond that, with so many different revenue sources. However, just a healthy little gauge that could be applicable is, like I said, your views to ratios do matter. Views do matter. That's why sometimes you'll see people trying to do clickbait, or they'll do something that they know is going to get views. Don't hate the player, hate the game. YouTube's kind of aligned it that way, where views do matter. They matter to sponsorships, they matter to Google Money, they matter to content creators. If you don't get the views, YouTube won't even suggest your channel anymore. So views are super important to the entire world of making money on YouTube. If you have 300,000 subscribers on YouTube, there's a good chance that you're able to potentiate $300,000 that year. Now, I will say I have several friends who make $1 million on YouTube and they have under 300,000 subs on YouTube. So what I'm saying is there is ways to blow that out of the water. This is just what the most common numbers that I have seen work out. I also see a lot of content creators getting paid pennies from what they are worth. That is the most common thing I've ever seen on YouTube. That might be a whole nother video, but I just wanted to share with you today, the biggest thing I wanted to share with you is that you can make some serious bank if you have something that you're passionate about and you have something that you were considering trying. Maybe you're sitting there saying, hey, I'm not good enough for YouTube. I just can't do it. No, I'm so boring. I don't have anything to provide. Do it. 110% do it. Start it. You know what? I have to say this. I think people that are humble, like I'm kind of a little loud. Like I have a loud personality. I'm not everyone's cup of tea, and I know that, and that's okay. But I think people that are really humble tend to do the best on YouTube. So if you're shy or you're nervous or all that jazz, you probably will do even better than me. So get your camera out, give it a go, and you never know what could happen. So I hope you guys like this video. I don't know if it's long. I feel like it was the shortest video I've ever made, and I hope it made sense because it was a little bit rambly, but I wanted to come on here and show you what you could speculate and what my husband made with 14 million views. Not intended to be braggy at all. definitely go on over there and say hi to him because he shared that information with this channel. But I love you guys, and I have so many awesome videos coming out for you guys. I have budgeting videos. I have envelope system videos. Oh yes. Oh yes. You're talking dirty to me now. And I also have videos on how to make some serious coin from home that is not a BS and it does not involve an app. So if you were excited, hit that thumbs up button. I am so excited for this channel. I'm excited to have an outlet where I can be unapologetically me. We can have some fun, we can talk about finance, and learn to get a crush on cash together. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. And I will talk to you later. And if you happen to have a YouTube channel, let me know your YouTube channel in the comments below. I want to subscribe, I want to support you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.